They're everywhere. They're in our lives. They're in society. And they're in our organizations. They're everywhere. But my organization doesn't seem to use them very well. I wonder how come. Years ago, a guy named Warren McFarlane created something called the strategic grid. Warren noticed that there are two general contributions that IT makes to a company. Those of the operations of the company and those for the strategy of the company. And he created this grid, the strategic grid that's on the screen now, is one of the most important models for understanding the role of IT in our organizations. In the lower left-hand corner is the support role. This means that IT really doesn't affect the company all that much. Low in operations, low in strategy. It's just support. The upper left-hand corner is a key operational role. That means IT is key for operating the company, but it doesn't impact strategy. In the lower right-hand corner is the high potential role. This is where there's not a whole lot of operations going on in IT right now, but the future of the company is bet on IT. And finally, we have the strategic role. This is where both the existing and the future IT processes and systems are crucial to the success of the company. There are four terms that we use to talk about each of the grids: support, factory, turnaround, and strategic. And we often use these as ways of talking about what IT does in our organizations. It's important for us to understand that the role of IT in our company has everything to do with what the company is in business or its purpose to do. So we have to have a method of aligning what IT is delivering and what the business needs.